How to block someone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and now just go to any chat you want, like this one, and then click here on profile, and here just scroll down until you find this one, block. Click on it and click here, block. And as you see, these contacts have been blocked, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.